The Blue Lagoon is a refreshing cocktail that typically consists of vodka, blue curaçao liqueur, lemonade, and sometimes a splash of lime juice. Here's a simple recipe to make a Blue Lagoon. Ingredients: 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters, vodka. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, blue curaçao liqueur. 3 ounces, 90 milliliters, lemonade. Splash of lime juice, optional. Ice cubes. Lemon or lime slice, for garnish. Instructions: 1. Fill a tall glass with ice cubes to chill it. 2. Add vodka to the glass. 3. Pour in the blue curaçao liqueur. 4. Add the lemonade and stir gently to mix the ingredients. 5. If desired, add a splash of lime juice for extra tanginess. 6. Garnish the glass with a slice of lemon or lime on the rim. 7. Serve and enjoy your homemade Blue Lagoon cocktail. Note: you can adjust the quantities of the ingredients based on your personal taste preferences. Additionally, you can also add a sweetener such as simple syrup or grenadine if you prefer a sweeter taste. Remember to drink responsibly, and enjoy in moderation.